Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Binance flexible saving features. So let me tell you guys, this principal protected feature acts like a crypto savings account, which allows you to deposit idle assets to accrue interest every minute and withdraw them at any moment. So to subscribe to flexible products, head to your Binance app and make sure that you're logged into a pro mode. Now tap more on the home page and select simple earn, or you can just simply go to the wallets, tap and select earn and tap subscribe. Now use the search bar to look at the specific token you wish to deposit. Now select next to your chosen coin to set a duration. After that, type in the number of tokens you wish to subscribe and then toggle auto subscribe on if you want Binance to automatically move available balances from your spot wallet into this flexible plan every day. Now review the estimated APR and daily real-time rewards, tick the agreement box and tap confirm. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.